The following is for educational purposes only. Cell phone monitoring can only be done legally by a parent to monitor their child's phone.
Hey guys, welcome back to Total Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you a 100% proven method to monitor everything someone else is doing on their phone without touching it. Right from the comfort of your own laptop, smartphone, or PC, you will be able to see and control everything that happens on another cell phone. And the best part about this is you do not need to be able to touch it in order to do this. I'm going to be straightforward with you and tell you that there's only one way to do this on your own. If you're not capable of doing this on your own, you will have to get a professional or someone experienced in the industry to do this for you. As always, if you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to leave me a message in the comments below and I will get back to you. In order to monitor another phone, you will need to get a hold of cell phone monitoring software such as Inkwire or MSpy. These are programs that you will remotely install into a phone that you're wanting to monitor. And once installed, these programs allow you to see everything on that device. This includes the GPS location in real time, text messages, deleted text messages, and listening in on live phone calls. Cell phone monitoring software also has the option to be completely invisible so the target will not know that they are being monitored. All you need to do is check this box during the installation and the software will remain completely undetectable. Once you have the phone monitoring program, the hard part is installing onto a device that you do not have physical access to. If you happen to be someone who does not have the phone in your physical possession and has no way of installing the program on your own, there are two ways you can accomplish this. As mentioned before, the first and the easiest method is to simply hire a professional to do this for you. The second method is by using the tool Inkwire. Inkwire is a cross-platform solution used to remotely access and control various systems and devices. What that basically means is that it allows you to remotely download software to another device by mirroring it on your own smartphone or PC. All you have to do is go to the Google Play Store and download the free version of Inkwire. Once installed, you will be given a 9-digit code which allows you to link the client's device with your smartphone or PC from anywhere in the world. And once those devices are linked, you will be able to remotely install any software you want. Let me show you guys an example. A while back, I had a client, I will call Sandy, who needed help monitoring the online activities of her teenage daughter's phone. Sandy explained to me that while she could get a hold of her daughter's phone whenever she was at home, she had reason to believe that her daughter had been talking to a lot of people online that she shouldn't have been, and then deleting the messages before her mother could find out. So Sandy asked if I could use Inkwire to help remotely install cell phone monitoring software onto her daughter's phone, just to keep her safe. Sandy and I came up with a plan where she would tell her own daughter that she had just won a brand new iPhone 16 from Apple. In order to get the prize, all she would have to do would be to confirm a code through her Apple representative, and then she would get the phone sent to her through the mail. Using a spoofing service, I changed my caller ID and told Sandy's daughter that I would be sending her a 9-digit code and link, just to confirm she is who she says she is. And once she confirms the code, she would then get the phone in the mail. But here's what's really going on. That code is actually from her mother. I then used that code to upload the software to her daughter's phone. And once the software is uploaded, Sandy is able to look at everything on that device in total secret. I never had to touch the phone, and the best part about this was Sandy's daughter had absolutely no idea that her mother was now monitoring her device. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you guys have any questions about this or anything else I said, please feel free to leave me a message in the comments below and I will get back to you. And as always, if you like this video and want to see more, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.